Hi friends, welcome back new video. In this video I am sharing to you the details of how to replace or remove the toner cartridge from HP LaserJet Pro MFP M225dn model printer. HP M225dn model printer is one of the best multifunction laser printer from HP brand. This model is exclusive to black and white printing purpose. It has print, scan, copy, fax, automatic document feeder, duplex printing and network printing functions. If you are a new viewer of this channel, like and subscribe this channel and click on the bell button to receive notification of new uploaded videos. This channel is based on printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. Also we are uploading videos of refill cartridges from different models. Okay, let's see where is the toner cartridge and how to replace this toner cartridge of this printer. First lift this feeder part, then open this access door. Toner cartridge is there. Number 83 is given here. 83 or CF283A is given on the cartridge. So this printer will work only with this number cartridge. Slowly pull out the toner cartridge like this. Okay, now remove. Printing speed of this printer up to 26 pages per minute, copy speed up to 25 copy per minute and scanning speed black up to 15 pages and color 6 pages per minute. This is a new toner cartridge of 83A or CF283A. This toner can be used on all model printers written on the box. Approximately 1500 prints can be get from this toner cartridge. How many pages you actually get to print will depend on what you print. If you print lot of photos, you can expect to run out of ink much sooner. If you print mostly documents irregularly, your cartridge will last longer. If you always print in draft mode, you will get more mileage out of your ink. But if you always print in high quality mode, you may run out sooner than you think. Print resolution from draft mode 300 x 300 dpi, from normal mode 600 x 600 dpi and plain best mode up to 1200 dpi. Hold the both sides of the toner cartridge and insert the cartridge into the printer. Finally, press slightly inwards like this. Then close the access door. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.